Hello, kids. Today, we are learning some awesome words that start with TR. These words are fun to spell and use every day. Let's learn how to spell them, understand their meanings, and see how to use them. Ready? Let's start. First is track. Spell with me. TRACK, track. A track is a path or a trail where something moves. Example, the train moved fast on the track. Next is trade. Spell with me. TRADE, trade. Trade means to exchange one thing for another. Example, the kids traded toys at school. Next is trail. Spell with me. TRAIL, trail. A trail is a small path in a forest or park. Example, we walked on the nature trail to see animals. Next is train. Spell with me. TRAIN, train. A train is a vehicle that runs on tracks and carries people or goods. Example, the train took us to the city. Next is trap. Spell with me. TRAP, trap. A trap is used to catch something. Example, the farmer set a trap to catch the mouse. Next is trash. Spell with me. TRASH, trash. Trash means garbage or things we throw away. Example, we put trash in the bin to keep the park clean. Next is tray. Spell with me. TRAY, tray. A tray is a flat surface used to carry things. Example, the waiter carried food on a tray. Next is treat. Spell with me. TREAT, treat. A treat is something special and nice to eat. Example, Mom gave me a chocolate as a treat. Next is tree. Spell with me. TREE, tree. A tree is a tall plant with leaves and branches. Example, the tree gives us shade on a sunny day. Next is trick. Spell with me. TRICK, trick. A trick is something clever or playful that you do. Example, the magician showed us an amazing trick. Next is tried. Spell with me. TRIDE, tried. Tried is an action of moving forward or attempting something. Example, I tried to learn new words every day. Next is trike. Spell with me. TRIKE, trike. A trike is a small bicycle with 3 wheels. Example, my little brother loves to ride his trike. Next is trip. Spell with me. TRIP, trip. A trip is when you travel to a place. Example, we went on a trip to the beach last weekend. Next is trot. Spell with me. TROT, trot. Trot is how a horse moves quickly. Example, the horse trotted around the field. Next is truck. Spell with me. TRUCK, truck. A truck is a big vehicle used to carry things. Example, the truck delivered fruits to the market. Next is trumpet. Spell with me. TRUMPET, trumpet. A trumpet is a musical instrument that makes a loud sound. Example, he played the trumpet in the band. Next is tractor. Spell with me. TRACTOR, tractor. A tractor is used on farms to plow the fields. Example, the farmer drove the tractor to the field. Next is traffic. Spell with me. TRAFFIC, traffic. Traffic means lots of vehicles on the road. Example, we got stuck in traffic on our way to school. Next is try. Spell with me. TRY, try. Try means to make an effort to do something. Example, I will try to finish my homework early. Next is tradition. Spell with me. Tradition. Tradition. A tradition is something people do every year, like holidays. Example, celebrating Diwali is a tradition in India. Next is tragedy. Spell with me. Tragedy, tragedy. Tragedy is a very sad event. Example, the fire was a tragedy for the village. Next is travel. Spell with me. Travel, travel. Travel means to go from one place to another. Example, we love to travel to the mountains in the summer. Next is tread. Spell with me. Tread, tread. Tread means to walk carefully or step on something. Example, he tread carefully on the wet floor. Next is treasurer. Spell with me. Treasurer, treasurer. A treasurer is someone who takes care of money. Example, the treasurer counted the money for the school trip. Next is triangle. Spell with me. Triangle, triangle. A triangle is a shape with 3 sides. Example, we drew a triangle in math class. Great job, kids. Now you know how to spell and use some cool TR words. Keep practicing and you'll learn even more.